Hey folks, let's see an interesting and practical tutorial together. Deleting some files and folders gives an error. For example, it gives us an access denied error. There is a solution that can delete some folders or files through the command prompt window and the rmdir command. But now this way does not work in our files. In this tutorial, we will go to the Professional Unlocker program. Go to emptyloop.com and click on Download. It is mentioned on the site that this program is free and you can donate if you want. Download the Unlocker program and decompress it. We install 64-bit or 32-bit type according to our operating system. To check the type of operating system, press the combination keys Windows and enter About from the System section. Windows type is specified in front of the System Type section. If it is 86, it means 32 bits. Install the program and run it. Select the desired folder from this section. At the end of the video, I explained a method to select several files and folders. But before that, I delete a simple folder model and a hidden folder and a file in this way. Note that if the file size is large, this process takes time. I will speed up the video. Well, let's go to the solution I said. I put a shortcut of the program on the desktop. Now we select the desired folders and files and drag them on the icon of the Unlocker program. I hope you find these tricks useful. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and if you're interested, consider subscribing to the channel.